Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change your WhatsApp number. Whether you're switching to a new number or updating your account, this updated guide will help you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First, start by opening the WhatsApp app on your Android device. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner for the three dots icon. Tap on those dots to open a menu with several options. Next, select Settings. This is where you can manage all your account settings. After entering the Settings menu, find and tap on Account. Here, you'll find various options related to your account. Now it's time to change your number. Tap on Change Number. This feature allows you to update your phone number while keeping all your chats and account information intact. Once you're ready, tap Next to proceed. You'll need to enter your old phone number first. Be sure to include the country code to ensure the number is recognized correctly. After entering your old number, it's time to enter your new phone number, again with the country code included. Once both numbers are entered, tap Next at the bottom of the screen. At this point, WhatsApp will ask if you want to notify your contacts about your number change. You can choose to inform all your contacts, just those in specific groups, or keep it private. The choice is yours. After making your selection, WhatsApp will send a verification code to your new phone number. Check your messages for that code, and once you have it, enter it into the app to verify your new number. Finally, follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete the process. And just like that, you've successfully changed your WhatsApp number. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using WhatsApp and other apps. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new WhatsApp experience.